Hey guys, Cyberdinner here, and we have the November Antipodean Witch Box to unbox. So, we've got the pamphlet. They've decided to start doing half-size pamphlets just because of the volume of orders, just to help cut down on the amount of paper. So we'll leave this until the end, but it does say the 14th of November, Emu Moon. Then we've got some nice gold paper. And everything inside has got that nice golden tone. So the first thing that we've got is a piece of Tigrinia. I haven't heard of that before. So it says that it's a Petersite enriched tiger eye. We've also got some honey calcite sunstone. Hyssop herb. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce that one. Ooh, that smells really nice. A piece of Dalmatian jasper. Emu feather. Not 100% sure, but I think that there would. We will find out in the pamphlet. Some incense, which is quite a nice scent as well. Uva ursi leaf. Once again, not sure how to pronounce that. Doesn't have a very strong smell. Consecrated bath salts for creativity. What looks like a pen nib and a gold thread. Maybe they're pens. That would be pretty cool. A blank book with a nice cardboard exterior. The affirmation and sigil for creativity. And so the affirmation says, I let my creativity shine. I give myself permission to play, to create, and to be open to life's glorious serendipity. And the last item is a feather. So we'll go through the pamphlet. I'm going to turn it so I can read it because they have made all of the font smaller as well. So it has the almanac for November 2019 is the 4th of November is the first quarter, the 14th of November is the full moon, the emu moon, the 20th of November is the last quarter, and the 27th of November is the new moon. So in this month's box we have the recycled paper journal, the feather quill dip pen kit, so that is the nib, the feather, and the gold binding thread. So it tells you in here how to create as well, and it has a little suggestion of how to make your own magical berry ink. The creativity sigil and affirmation, the creativity bath salts, wishing candles. So I think it's just that the very tip of them is like the wick is just very small, and I think that's just why I couldn't quite tell. The hyssop herb, the Yuva Ursi leaf, the emu feathers, the tigerina, creative inspiration incense, the honey calcite, and the jasper, the Dalmatian jasper. So this says there's also a moon phase pendant, but maybe I didn't look properly in my box because I'm looking at it upside down. It talks about the concept of the emu in the sky that exists in different Aboriginal groups across Australia. So it has some different information about that. It talks about witches journaling. It also has the full moon ritual for creativity. So on the back it has some creativity deities and a recipe for moon cookies. And so that is everything that I got in the November Antipodean Witch box. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! So the first thing that we've got is I'll just throw it